Hi everyone, this is Electroveld Industries made in India, pedal type rod butt welder. It welds jobs between 5 to 12 and it's a water cooled uh, machine with pedal operated switch as well as uh, mechanical pressure adjustment, jaw adjustment, and gap adjustment screw. It also has a cutoff switch and cutoff adjustment stud. So what we'll do is we'll try to weld a job of 12 and these are the rods of 12 We'll try to weld them and placing the job properly with the butts properly aligned. We'll try to weld the job. Release the adjustment and adjust the current switch and then try to weld the job. Now it's done and the job has come out and it's pretty hot. Be careful with it. And now what we'll try to do is we'll try to do the annealing procedure by giving triggers of current and eventually creating a strong weld. Now it's properly annealed right now. Let's remove the job and check how it has come out. So now it has come out pretty well and the job is quite strong enough. So that's how we welded a 12 rod with a strong strength. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is a pedal type rod butt welder used for welding 5 to 12 of rods. So this is a totally mechanical welding machine and it has various settings, adjustments here. As for the scale, we can adjust how much we want the length to get in for the welding. Adjustments are there, control switching, gap adjustment stoppers are there, and levers plus pressure adjustment knobs are there, as well as cutoff switch is there. And this one is a water cooled machine and here we can adjust the current levels and weld the job. So here we place the job after adjustment. We adjust the job, place that job so it's properly adjusted and the butts are properly matched upon and adjusted well. So now we'll try to weld the product. The job is already adjusted properly and it's fitted well between the claws, and we press the welding button. So here the welding is taking place and the job is welded. Now we try to do the annealing procedure. By annealing procedure, we try to give periodical injections of annealing current, and then the final job has come out with a burr. We can grind this burr and this rod turns into a single strongly welded job. Thank you.